What if Earth had not one, but TWO moons? How would our tides, our climate, and even our history change? Would we face more natural disasters or discover new opportunities for space exploration? Today, we're diving into this mind-blowing alternate reality. Our moon has shaped Earth in ways we rarely think about. It controls our tides, stabilizes our planet's tilt, and has inspired myths for thousands of years. But what if there was another one? What if, every night, we looked up and saw not just one glowing moon, but two? This isn't just science fiction, it's a question that could change everything. At first, two moons might sound incredible. Double the beauty, double the moonlight, right? Well, not so fast. Having a second moon would actually bring some serious challenges. First, tides. Right now, our single moon creates predictable ocean tides. But add a second moon. That's double the gravitational forces pulling on Earth's waters. This could mean huge, unpredictable tsunamis and floods in some places, while other coastlines might dry up entirely. Second, orbital chaos. Moons don't just sit still. They orbit. And if we had two moons, they'd constantly pull on each other, affecting their orbits. Over time, one might even crash into the other, creating a spectacular but catastrophic explosion in the sky. And third, Earth's rotation. Right now, the moon's gravity slows down Earth's spin just a little bit over time. But with two moons, depending on their size and orbit, we could either see longer days or shorter days, completely changing our sleep cycles, weather patterns, and even season. Okay, so we've covered the dangers. But what about the science? What else would be different if we had two moons? For one, eclipses would be totally unpredictable. Right now, we can predict solar and lunar eclipses centuries in advance. But with two moons constantly shifting around, eclipses could happen randomly, even multiple times a month. Second, our climate could change. The moon helps stabilize Earth's tilt, which gives us stable seasons. But with two moons, Earth's axis might wobble unpredictably, leading to extreme weather, freezing summers, scorching winters, or even an ice age. And if the second moon was small, it might not last long. Over time, Earth's gravity could pull it apart, creating a massive ring system like Saturn's. Imagine looking up at a glowing band of debris circling our planet. But beyond science, how would human life be different? Ancient civilizations would have completely different myths and gods. Maybe instead of one moon deity, cultures would worship twin moon gods. Calendars might have been totally different, too. Nights would be brighter, changing how animals and humans behave. Nocturnal creatures might struggle, and even our sleep cycles could be affected. Would we have evolved differently? And think about space travel. If we had two moons, we might have developed space exploration much earlier. Imagine early astronauts racing to land on both moons, setting up bases, or even using them as stepping stones to Mars. So, would two moons be a blessing or a disaster? On one hand, we'd have beautiful twin moons lighting up our nights, inspiring new cultures, and boosting space exploration. But on the other hand, we'd face chaotic tides, unpredictable seasons, and possible moon collisions. Either way, one thing is for sure, Earth would be a very different world. What do you think? Would you want Earth to have two moons? Or are we better off with just one? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love mind-bending space scenarios, check out this next video on what if Earth had rings like Saturn. See you there.